So we're kind of shooting a unique mainline bag today. We went from one manhole to another one, around the 90, all the way down the street to another manhole. So we kind of had to kick the liner into that next pipe to get it to go where we needed it to. So I actually prepped the manhole we shot, the middle manhole we went through, by creating a ramp to direct the liner from one pipe around the 90 through to the next one.
We got the crew set up over here on the curb with the steamers. That's producing our steam to cure the liner. Right now we have 3 of the steamers set up. We're doing about 300, 320 degrees right now into our continuous inverter. And that's pumping the steam down to our B station, our tail end of the liner. And in about 3 hours, that liner will be fully cooked. After it cooks, we'll go ahead and reinstate our single lateral with our Schwam trailer. And then we'll do our final inspections and pull out for the day.
Bags in.